12 Great Business Ideas for Women, to start at home. In this video, you'll discover 12 business ideas for women, to start at home with little or no money. At the end of the video, there are 2 valuable free gifts waiting for you. A token of appreciation for watching this video. If you're planning to own and operate a business, you might start thinking about things like renting commercial real estate, commuting to an office, or managing employees. But with the rise of home businesses, more and more women are discovering ways to use remote work to pursue entrepreneurship, with their business headquartered at home. In today's connected world, where technology affords us more flexibility in how and where we work, it's easier to start a home-based business. 1. Virtual assistant. Entrepreneurs and businesses are in the process of scaling down. Some minor duties might not fit a full-time employee, like booking appointments, flights, and answering queries. In such an unstable business environment, companies prefer to outsource work to individual contractors or remote work, to reduce expenses. You can serve several professionals and clients, from anywhere around the world. Figure out what kind of services you can offer, and start to look for companies that need virtual assistants. You can begin on freelance marketplaces like Upwork, and Freelancer.com. Once you have a stable number of customers, you should hire more virtual assistants, train them, and expand activities. 2. Start a niche website. Fortunately, you can still start a website with less than $500 that, with the right amount of research, hard work, and marketing, can grow into a $3,000 plus monthly money maker. To give you some ideas: electricians review directory in your area, healthy food producers directory, small businesses directory, and etc. But you don't have to limit yourself to your local area. You can go national, or even international. Spend a lot of time researching a profitable and crowded niche. When you have found it, post content about your niche, gather an audience, and then contact businesses and professionals to list in your directory. You can charge anywhere from $10 to $200 per month for a premium listing. 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing helps you to earn by referring people to purchase a product you recommend. You can promote the products using a website, social media marketing, and other methods. This is one of the easiest ways to earn online, as it only requires a mobile phone with an internet connection. Affiliate marketing has good margins. Most of the affiliate programs pay anywhere between 5% to 40% from the sale. To earn more money, you can sign up for multiple affiliate programs, and focus on those that perform best. It's a lot of work involved, but you grow an asset that will make you money for years to come. Once you have found a niche, and the products you want to recommend, sign up for their affiliate programs, get your unique affiliate links, and start promoting the products. Don't spam, as you risk getting your account disabled. 4. Blogging. Blogging is one of the most popular ways to earn money from home. It involves choosing a profitable niche, starting a blog, and monetizing it to generate revenue when you reach enough traffic. Blogging requires creating quality content, engaging your visitors, and ultimately offering them products and information they need. Most bloggers earn around $500 to $2,000 each month in their first 3 years, and then when their blog has authority in their niches and a solid audience, they can earn more than $20,000 each month. It's proven that hard work and persistence pay off in blogging. Choose a niche that can attract substantial traffic. Popular niches are competitive and require top-grade content. Should you settle for the less competitive niches, you should prepare for low traffic numbers. Still, the quality of your content and how well you market the blog determine its value. Once it has achieved moderate sustained traffic, you can make money through many methods: affiliate marketing, selling advertising, creating a paid course, and ultimately selling the blog for a profit. 5. Start an e-commerce site. Setting up a virtual shop and selling items has never been easier than today. 15 years ago, you had to spend at least $10,000 to $20,000 to launch an e-commerce store. Later on, after WordPress and WooCommerce appeared, you could end up with a $1,500 bill. Today, with Shopify, you have to spend just about $45, $15 for a domain name and $30 monthly for Shopify, to launch your shop in a matter of hours. Go with niche products, and find unique ways to present and sell them. Go to Shopify, get an account, and set up your first store. Not ready to pay? You get 14 days free trial. Add your products, and start advertising your store. 6. Cooking and baking. If you have mad skills in the kitchen, why not share your wonderful and delicious creations with others and get paid for that? Start your own cooking business. Of course, we recommend you start small, and then build up your business. You can cater to a small party, and if your food is appreciated, you can bet that you'll get at least one catering offer from it. Before you start cooking, you should find out if you can cook out of your private kitchen. Many states don't allow it, so you may need to rent a kitchen, or start building one that fits all the requirements. When you have this figured out, start cooking, share recipes on social media, and take many tasty pictures with your cooked food. Write that you cook, and add an order button, so visitors can easily order from you. 7. Vlogging. No surprise here, YouTube is primarily about videos. Can you create exciting videos that keep viewers returning to your channel? Then you are the right entrepreneur for a YouTube channel. Depending on how successful you are, virality, subscriber base, and topic, you can make a lot of money, and there are plenty of stories every week of more and more YouTubers making it their career. You can earn on YouTube in two ways. The number of views on your channel will attract revenue from YouTube advertisers. Secondly, you can feature products on your channel through endorsements. However, endorsements require a careful approach, because they might send viewers who disagree with the brand away from your channel. 8. Online tutoring. What can you teach the world? Is it a foreign language or piano? Can you coach fitness or teach coding? Prepare videos and e-learning materials for distribution to your students. Promote your work online through advertising, or by social media. Request your students to provide referrals through friends and relatives. Charge viewers for webinars and workshops held online. Let them buy your video courses, ebooks, webinar recordings, and you will be smiling to the bank, from the comfort of your bed. Create a course on the topic you know best, and sell it on platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, Askademic, or many others. You can also start a blog, create an online course, and sell it to your visitors so you can keep all the profits. You will have to take care of marketing the course, and handle sales and support. 9. Content writing. People write at work, in school, and of course, some do it as a passion. However, writing is not as straightforward or natural as it sounds. Millions around the world are looking for tutors to help them polish their skills. If you are good at it, you have endless opportunities to start a business on this. The first clients are students handling different assignments. You may also target executives stuck with reports, press releases, memos, and other business materials. 10. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is an idea coming to replace the physical store, and the need to build extensive warehouses. Your role will be to advertise products on any platform possible, like Etsy, Amazon, and eBay, including creating a website and social media. At this point, you buy the product from the manufacturer or distributor, and ship it to the interested customer. Once a potential client orders, he will send the payment with delivery details. You can sell anything from spoons to yachts, with no penny in your account. In some cases, you never even get to see the product. All you need is a place where your clients can find you, and agree with a delivery company. Goods are paid before ordering or on delivery, eliminating any chances of losing money. Keep in mind that there are some downsides of drop shipping business. High shipping duration, lack of customer support, refunds taking a lot of time, unprofessionalism of sellers. But if you do enough research and choose the best sellers, you can overcome all these downsides, and set your business aside. E-commerce and dropshipping profits have reached over $5 billion, which is an 8% year-on-year increase. Start your research on sites like Amazon, to find products that people want, and then look for sellers on sites like AliExpress, etc. 11. Dog walking and care. Individuals and families love dogs, yet they lack time to give them all the attention required. In other cases, a dog owner may be away on a trip, necessitating a pet sitter to stay with the dog. If you love pets, you will have a field day at home, or the home of your client. Pet sitters and walkers have the most specific roles. You feed the dog, collect its poop, and play with it. If it needs walking, you will visit the park or such fun places. It is a dream job with excellent returns. This is a great business that you can start for free, fun, and pays well enough. Start advertising your services on classified websites like Craigslist, Folks, and social media, to get your first customers. Later on, you can get in touch with students, or people who want to have a side gig, and give your customers to share the profits. 12. Social media management. The changing role of social media for businesses and professionals has opened new avenues for freelancers and people who want to start a business. Since businesses must focus on their core areas, they outsource social media management to remote professionals. Your role will be to update details on the page, answer queries by customers or followers, and engage the fans on the page. A social media manager requires an internet device and a stable internet connection. There are plenty of resources online that will teach you about social media marketing. You will be paid based on the hours of an engagement, or contractual terms. You can manage several pages at the same time, helping to boost your earnings. When you get more customers, you should consider hiring staffers to help you with basic tasks. As we conclude this video, go to the description below this video to get your free gifts. They are completely free, no strings attached. For more free business guides and tips, visit us at bizmove.com.